All right, so this is going to be how to put on an LED light, and I'm putting it up underneath the cabinet here. So what I've done already is I made a couple marks. I'm going to drill a couple holes, if you can see them. One there and one here. So, and then we're gonna do our thing. So let's put that right there. Very simple. One there. One there. Bam, done. Now I gotta switch this out. Put a Phillips head in there. So what did I do with the Phillips head? All right, shit. So I'm gonna put a Phillips head in there. There we go. This is a long one, but we'll just use it anyway because it's here. Done. Now I'm gonna put this up inside there. Bam, done. Now over here, same thing. Now, this bad boy, if you look at it, has these little slots in it, and we're just gonna slip it right on there, and it'll be ready to go. So here we go. All right, so I gotta get this, I gotta get the slide right on there. All right, same for on this side. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna need both hands. And we slide it over. That baby is on there. There we go. Done. Working fantastic. I can see everything here, which is what I need it to do because I am blind as a bat. I put another LED light over here so I can see here. So now we can see everywhere in the garage. Sweet. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff that I've never done before. Peace out.